This is practice test number 1, and in this video we are working on problem C, or problem 3 rather, letter C. And in one of the previous videos on problem 3A, we filled in this contingency table here under 3A, and we're going to be referring back to this because we're going to be using this table from 3A to answer the questions on 3C. Now if I look down to question C, it says construct a contingency table based on row percentages, round to the nearest tenth, and answer the following question. So our key here is this little phrase right here, row percentages, which means that we are going to convert the data in the table to percentages based on the row totals. Now if I go back to the contingency table in letter A, I see that I have, for example, in the column for men, I have 188 men who enjoyed shopping. And I want to make that data point a percent of the row total. So here's my total, 391. So to do that, I'm going to take 188, divide it by the row total, 391, and multiply by 100. And when I do that, that's going to be my data point right here. That tells me that 48.1% of the total people who enjoyed shopping, they answered yes. 48.1% of them were men. And then I'm going to do the same thing for all of the other data points. For example, I go back to the original contingency table, and I have 320 men who did not enjoy shopping. And I take that 320, I divide it by the row total, 461, times 100, and that's going to give me 69.4%. When I round it to the nearest tenth, 69.4% of the customers who did not enjoy shopping are men. And I would do the same for the totals. Back here at the original table, I would take 508, divide it by 852, and that would give me 59.6% in this data point right here. So what that tells me is that of the total number of people who did not enjoy shopping, it would tell me that of the total number of people in the survey, 59.6% of them were men. And then I would do the same thing for the column for the women as well. In the original table, I have 203 women who enjoyed shopping out of 391. So 203 divided by 391 times 100, that would give me 51.9% here. And that tells me that 51.9% of the customers who enjoyed shopping were women. And you could work out the other two data points down here. You do the same with the other points here. This column is always going to be 100 when we're dealing with the row percentages. So that would fill in the table here for C. And then the question is, given a person enjoys shopping, what is the probability that a person is a female? Now, given that the person enjoys shopping means that I am in this column right here of people who answered yes. These people in this row, they all answered yes. So given that a person enjoys shopping means we're looking at this row right here. What is the probability that a person is a female? And the answer is 51.9%. 51.9% of those who enjoyed shopping were women. And so that's our answer here.